Hey guys, how's it going? How to check flight delays and cancellations in real time. So you can check flight delays and cancellations in real time using these methods. You can visit the airline official website or apps. In my case, I'm using Flynas. So basically go to the official website and you're going to be able to see the flight status at the bottom right. Click on it and you can search by route or search by flight number. So you're going to be able to see in your ticket the number. Go ahead and enter the unique number in the destination and hit search. And you're going to be able to see the flight status. Okay. Next, use use flight tracking websites. You can use websites like Flight Radar 24, where you can track your flight delays and cancellations. Next, you can use also the Flight Aware or Flight Stats in order to check your flight's destination or flight delays, if there is any, right? And of course, you can check the departure or arrival in the airport official website by doing the same stuff, flight status, into the flight number and the destination and the date that you want to leave in. And then you're going to be able to see the final results, right? The status. Okay. You can use Google Maps or even Apple Maps for real-time status by, type in Google Maps, right? And you're going to be able to see your flight or track your flight directly from the website. Okay. And also you can follow the airline Twitter or Instagram account if they have any, or call or chat with their customer service if needed. So let's say Flynas. So Flynas. Okay. And then I can go ahead to the flight care right here and start speaking with the customer service in order to talk with them and see where my flight or when my flight will arrive. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.